Each day holds a surprise, but only if we expect it can we see, hear, or feel it. When it comes to us, let's not be afraid to receive each day's surprise, whether it comes to us as sorrow or as joy. It will open a new place in our heart, a place where we can welcome new friends and celebrate more fully our shared humanity. Don't look further for answers. Be the solution. You were born with everything you need to know. Make a promise to stop getting in the way of the blessing that you are. Take a deep breath. Remember to have fun and begin. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. I will leave something for you when I leave this world. Few memories in your heart, few tears in your eyes, my name on your lips, and my absence in your life. There is a lot of difference between human being and being human. A few understand it. Teach this triple truth to all: a generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. There is no perfect moment to take action for success. Always strive to bring your ambition to life. Wishing you great inspiration and success.